On December 3rd, 2019, the Spurs Demarre Carroll checks into the game for the first time with 4 minutes left in the third quarter. His team down 20 points to Houston. In the next 8 minutes, Carroll misses 2 free throws and commits 4 turnovers. Carroll does not see the floor again in 2019-2020 in any meaningful minutes for the Spurs.
Oh, come on, DeMar. You got to take one more dribble or 2 more. Get yourself in rhythm out there, buddy.
Off to Mills, back to Carroll. Demarre and an offensive foul.
Offensive foul number 77, Demarre Carroll is first.
Second on Demarre. Westbrook, alley-oop, Chandler. Clark, Spurs nearly, they do have a steal. Carroll, oh, ahead to Walker, cannot. He saved it off of DeJounte, out of bounds. It's the 3. His third on 13 attempts tonight. He's got 32.
He looks a little like Matt Bonner out there.
Carroll, yeah, you missed Matt's pregame, down 40% from 3 through the first quarter of the season. 1 of 2 tonight. Harden gets it to roll. Carroll comes up with this loose one. We're inside 8 minutes to go. Oh, Harden the steal and the dunk.
Carroll agreed to a 2-year, $13 million deal with the Spurs in free agency in July 2019. A few days later, in order to sign Marcus Morris, the Spurs traded Davis Bertans to free cap room and increased Carroll's deal to 3 years, $21 million. Morris reneged on his deal, meaning San Antonio traded Bertans for unused cap space. On February 17, 2020, the Spurs released Carroll. His final stats: 15 games, 135 minutes, 33 points, and $21 million.